Welcome back to Sam Tech. Today, we're exploring the incredible influence of robotics and the Internet of Things (IoT) on modern industries. From transforming manufacturing processes to revolutionizing home automation, these technologies are at the forefront of a new industrial era. Join us as we dive into how robotics and IoT are reshaping the future of various sectors, driving efficiency, and creating new opportunities for growth. Robotics has become a cornerstone in modern manufacturing, where precision and productivity are paramount. Advanced robotic arms and automated assembly lines can perform tasks with exceptional accuracy, reducing errors and increasing production speed. This technological shift allows manufacturers to meet growing demand while maintaining high-quality standards. Companies that integrate robotics into their production processes are seeing significant improvements in efficiency and output, giving them a competitive edge in the global market. The Internet of Things (IoT) is transforming our homes into smart environments where devices are interconnected, offering convenience and control like never before. From smart thermostats that learn your preferences to security systems that can be managed remotely, IoT is making homes more efficient and secure. Homeowners who adopt IoT solutions are enjoying the benefits of automation, energy savings, and enhanced security, making their living spaces more comfortable and intelligent. In healthcare, robotics is playing a critical role in enhancing surgical precision and patient care. Robotic-assisted surgeries allow for minimally invasive procedures, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. Additionally, robots are being used in rehabilitation and elderly care, providing support and companionship. Hospitals and clinics that implement robotics are setting new standards in patient care, offering advanced treatments and improving the overall healthcare experience. Agriculture is undergoing a transformation thanks to IoT, which enables data-driven farming practices. Sensors placed in fields can monitor soil moisture, weather conditions, and crop health in real time, allowing farmers to make informed decisions. This leads to optimized irrigation, better pest control, and ultimately higher yields. Farmers who embrace IoT technology are able to produce more food with fewer resources, contributing to sustainable farming practices and food security. Retailers are increasingly turning to robotics to automate inventory management, ensuring that shelves are always stocked and that products are easy to find. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors can scan shelves, track inventory levels, and even assist customers. This automation reduces labor costs and minimizes errors, leading to better customer satisfaction and increased sales. Retail businesses that adopt robotic inventory management are able to streamline their operations, allowing them to focus on enhancing the shopping experience. The transportation industry is being revolutionized by IoT through the development of smart cities and connected vehicles. IoT-enabled traffic management systems can reduce congestion, while connected vehicles can communicate with each other to avoid accidents and improve efficiency. This technology is making cities safer and more efficient, reducing travel times and lowering emissions. Municipalities and transportation companies that invest in IoT are leading the way toward smarter, more sustainable urban environments. Robotics is making waves in the construction industry, where speed and safety are crucial. Autonomous construction robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and even build entire structures with minimal human intervention. These robots not only accelerate the construction process but also improve safety by taking on dangerous tasks. Construction companies that integrate robotics into their projects are able to complete builds faster and more safely, giving them the ability to take on larger and more complex projects. The energy sector is leveraging IoT to optimize resource use and reduce waste. Smart grids, powered by IoT, allow for real-time monitoring and management of energy distribution, ensuring that electricity is delivered efficiently. IoT devices in homes and businesses can also monitor energy consumption, helping users reduce their carbon footprint. Energy companies that implement IoT solutions are able to provide more reliable services while promoting sustainability, positioning themselves as leaders in the shift toward a greener future. The logistics industry is being transformed by robotics, particularly in warehousing and delivery. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs) and robotic arms are handling the movement and sorting of goods with incredible efficiency. Drones are also being used for last-mile deliveries, getting packages to customers faster than ever before. Logistics companies that invest in robotics are able to handle higher volumes of goods, reduce delivery times, and lower operational costs, allowing them to scale their operations and better meet customer demands. IoT is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance of machinery. Sensors embedded in equipment can detect anomalies, predicting when maintenance is needed before a breakdown occurs. This prevents costly downtime and extends the lifespan of machines. Manufacturers who adopt IoT technology can run their operations more smoothly, reducing unexpected interruptions and maintaining continuous production, which is crucial for staying competitive. In the food industry, robotics is being used to automate food preparation and packaging, ensuring consistency and safety. Robots can handle repetitive tasks such as slicing, mixing, and packaging with high precision, reducing the risk of contamination. This automation speeds up the production process and allows food companies to meet high demand while maintaining strict quality standards. By embracing robotics, food manufacturers can deliver products faster and more reliably, enhancing their ability to grow in a competitive market. IoT is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling remote monitoring and telemedicine. Wearable devices can track patients' vital signs in real time, allowing doctors to monitor their health remotely. This is particularly beneficial for chronic disease management and post-operative care. Telemedicine, supported by IoT, allows patients to consult with doctors from the comfort of their homes, improving access to healthcare services. Hospitals and clinics that adopt IoT solutions are able to provide more personalized and accessible care, improving patient outcomes and satisfaction. Thanks for watching Sam Tech. As we've seen today, Robotics and IoT are not just trends, they are the future of industry. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Until next time, stay tech savvy.